come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi, aka DeFi Bully. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to bring y'all that content, the bangers. And I'm coming before you today with Furio. I should have been did a video on Furio since the pre-sales. Shout out to the people that got it early on Furio. In the first pre-sale, they got it for 50 cents. The second one or the third one, I know it was kind of a long wait before the official launch, but it's proven itself that it was definitely worth it. So people, I'm going to dive into Furio, show why it's different, how it's sustainable, how it's paying out its 2.5% daily on this ROI platform. But before I get into that, y'all already know the drill. Head to the YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. This notification bell, NASA, so hit that notification bell so you can be alerted on time, okay? And also, like the video and then marry the video. So, let's get into this Furio. Right now, Furio has just, and I didn't plan this video around this, but it has just hit, which I believe is a new all-time high. It hit $6. So right now, one Furio token or Furio token, Furio token is $6. Okay. Now this is they do utilize USDC, which is a stable coin, US dollar coin. Okay. So right now it's $6 per coin. Now it is similar to Drip in a sense, like where they have the staking part, like the faucet right here is called the Fear Vault. Okay. And you could get paid up to 2.5% daily. Now you do begin getting paid at 2% daily. All right. Now, if you compound for 28 days straight, you do advance to 2.5%. As you can see in my case, I did withdraw a couple times to test it out, make sure everything was going properly. And I did actually reach 2.25% daily. All right. And one thing special about Furio is they utilize NFTs for their downlines. So unlike Drip, they don't use a separate coin like how they have the B Reef coin, or how Splash has the Wave token. This actually utilizes an NFT, which you can actually sell. So right now I do have one NFT, and I could actually sell it if I wanted to, as you can see right here, or I could buy more to increase my amount in the downlines. And you do have an opportunity to grow a team, have team building, and things like that. So if you guys are interested in joining Furio, which I believe is a really good platform, it's done everything they said they were going to do, and they're innovative. And I'm going to go deeper into the tokenomics, but if you're interested, you could join with my wallet address down below. You just put me as the referrer when you're starting your vault, and you will be a part of my team. You can receive airdrops and things like that. Tokens. Now, something I see that's new to the platform is the new auto compounding feature. Right now it is in a beta stage, but that's pretty good, so you don't forget to compound, because what's been happening, I believe, is if you haven't compounded in the last 24 hours or so, your rewards are actually being paused. So they're trying to keep people more active with this. And you can see you can set the periods. They're trying to make people more active with the Furio and stay committed to it, which in turn just helps the whole protocol itself. Now, shout out to Bullpen Millionaires. That's my Telegram group. The link for that will be down below. Shout out to D Dripper. She has pointed out some things that she love about. And this is our group right here. They're going in right now about shorts and stuff. We just talk about everything. Just a beautiful community. A lot different than all these other communities out there. Not trying to brag, but we really it. Okay. Now back to what I was saying. She has pointed out some things that she liked the most about the platform, and I just wanted to share some of that with you guys. Now, like I said, it is 2% daily, and you could go to 2.5 if you compound with 28 days straight. You cannot withdraw. I'm looking at my notes if you see me looking down. You cannot withdraw more than 25%. More than your available balance, or you get hit with a 50% tax. Okay, a 50% tax, people. You can only sell once a day. So that's to help, like if somebody has a lot of tokens, they can't just keep selling every day, like multiple times a day and drain the contract. So you only can sell once a day. All right. There's a 50% tax if you sell your tokens when you don't have anything deposited in the vault. The vault is right here, which is the staking part of it. So if you just buy the coins flat out, you will be hit with a 50% tax if you don't have anything in the vault. So that is actually encouraging people to encouraging participants and users or people that's just buying the coins to put some of those tokens in the vault and to earn that 2.5% daily. Okay. And just to keep in mind, when you do deposit into the vault or the staking part of this platform, you cannot directly withdraw that, but you do get it back in the rewards. Whereas in this case, 2.5% a day or up to that. Okay. I hope I'm not losing you guys. Now there's a max of 100,000 Furio tokens that you can have in each account, and you can sell the NFTs. Those are some points I wrote down, and I believe that they're very innovative. So right now I'm gonna do a live compound. I'm gonna refresh this because I got a feeling that went up a little bit. Okay, I gotta connect back. Did I get? All right, let's see. And we're back in a vault, and I'm gonna hit that compound button right here. What in the world did I get kicked off of my? Let me just log back into my MetaMask. MetaMask is the wallet, crypto wallet that I use to utilize a lot of these DeFi projects. If you guys want step to step on how to start these things or get into it, if you're not already into this crypto world, feel free to hit me up on the Telegram group. I'm sure me or anybody else in the group will help you out. And you can also reach me one-on-one, okay? I'm always willing to help if I got time. So now that that's compounded, or well, it's going to compound, it's going to actually take the rewards that I accumulated, which was 1.6, and it adds it to my balance, all right? So then my balance will actually go up. And as you can see, I'm already earning more, okay? And if I was to claim, once I claim that, it actually turns that to USDC, and it shows directly in my MetaMask wallet. Then I can withdraw it for everyday use. All right, people. Now, this is my referral link. My link will be down below if you guys want to start. The end of this is the wallet address, just in case you need that. But like I said, I'm mad bullish on this Furio thing. There's a lot of things to come. The price has been steady and actually increasing. There's a lot of anti-dump mechanisms in place and whale taxes and team building. Like, it's just official. This is official. This is one of the best platforms ever so far. So we all know how these things go, but invest at your own risk. But I'm really bullish on this one, guys. Okay, hit that like button because you know I brought that content. And remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but do what you got to do. We all want that financial freedom. You know the vibes.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.